All right. So this is the charts that has been created before with you. Okay. So what we have here is a column chart and also the pie chart. Okay. So this video actually I want to show it to you. The difference between the columns and also the pie charts. Okay. So again, the column chart is a primary Excel chart type. Okay, with a data series that plotted using vertical columns. Okay, so column charts, okay, uh, are a good way to show change over time because actually it's easy to compare the column lengths. Okay, so column charts work best where data points are limited. Example, 12 months, 4 quarters, okay, and etc. Okay, with more data points actually you can switch to a line graph, okay, or line chart. Okay, so the pros here, okay, of the column chart is easy to read, all right, simple and versatile, all right, and also it easy to add data labels at the ends of the bars. Okay, so while the cons is become cluttered, okay, with too many categories, okay, and also clustered column charts can be difficult to interpret. Okay, so this is about the column charts. Okay, how about the pie chart? Okay, so again, okay, the pie chart, okay, is a built-in chart type in Excel. Okay, pie charts are meant to express a part to whole relationship. Okay, where all pieces together represent 100%. Okay, so pie charts work best to display data with a small number of categories. Example, 2 to 5 categories. Okay, so uh, pie charts, okay, have a pros and cons also. Okay, example here, okay, a pros here, a simple, actually pie chart is a simple way to handle more categories in a pie chart. Okay, so it also can be read at a very glance, okay, with limited categories, and Excel also can calculate and display percentages automatically as the data labels. Okay, and while the cons is uh difficult to compare relative size of slices, and it's also become cluttered, okay, and dense as categories are added. All right, and then actually pie chart also limited to part to whole data, and is also poor at showing change over time. Okay, so that is this column, bar, and pie chart actually is a basic types of charts that you need to know. Happy learning, everyone.